Networking for beginners. How to put your best foot forward. Networking is one of those skills that everyone knows is important, but it can be a significant stumbling block if it doesn't come naturally to you. Being able to meet and engage with new people can be overwhelming, but there is so much magic to be found when you do so successfully. As a business owner and entrepreneur, it's a crucial part of the puzzle because it's often personal relationships that open the doors for new opportunities and allow the company to grow and scale. In this video, we're going to run through some basic principles for networking that should help you make the most of your in-person interactions. Be yourself. We know that this is cliché, but it's the one thing that so many people get wrong when they think about networking. There's this idea out there that you need to put on a character of sorts that will charm and engage the people that you meet. The truth is that people can see right through that. We are much more perceptive than we realize. It's important to be authentically you. Don't shy away from what makes you unique, but rather lean into those things. The more genuine you can be, the better you'll be able to build meaningful relationships. You go first. A good mantra to keep in your mind is to go first whenever possible. When you're at an event, be proactive and introduce yourself to people rather than waiting for a conversation to happen to you. Taking control like this can be scary, but it's the best way to maximize the value of your networking. Others will be relieved that you took the leap, and you'll find yourself getting into many more conversations than you would have otherwise. Don't sell. When you're meeting someone new for the first time, this is not the time to pull out the sales deck and try to close a deal. There's nothing more off-putting than that. Focus instead on building personal rapport with the person you're talking to and let the relationship flourish from there. If they ask about your business, then you can share what you're working on, but don't let that be the reason you're connecting with them. People do business with people they like, so focus on that first. The sale can come later. Ask questions. Curiosity is one of the most endearing characteristics, and it's especially powerful because we all love to talk about ourselves. Ask questions of the person you're interacting with and show that you're genuinely interested in them. This will create a good impression and help you to build a connection with them that might return dividends later down the line. Follow up. The last pillar of good networking is to follow up after you've met somebody. If you don't do this well, then all your in-person work will be for nothing. Make a note of everyone you want to keep in touch with and drop them an email or a message a couple of days later to solidify the relationship. For bonus points, share something of value with them that relates to what you were talking about. This will keep you front of mind and give you a better chance of engaging again when needed. If you stick to these key pillars, you'll find that networking can actually be quite enjoyable and rewarding. And it might just lead to an opportunity that could transform your business forever. Here at Live Wingman, you can engage meaningfully with any of our wingmen who can help you navigate these waters. Be sure to check out what's on offer and let us know how we can assist.